Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today this video is going to be very unique and important for all of you because we are going to talk about a very amazing platform that works on the Tron blockchain concept. And this is also the future of crypto. We are talking about Metora Vertex, whose official website is www.metoravertex.io. The plan is bit big, so let's get straight to the introduction without wasting your time. Friends, this is decentralized ecosystem powered by Tron blockchain, offering 100% decentralized opportunities with high-speed, low-fee-based decentralized network for smart contract. You can earn through active and passive income benefits, and partners can also benefit from it. You can earn active income by inviting partners or upgrading levels, and for passive income the cycle runs every 7 days, providing consistent earning from your joining date onwards. So friends, this is a fantastic unlimited income opportunity and it's not too late to join. Let's discuss the complete income plan, starting with the available package. You can start with a minimum of 20 Tron and begin your unlimited income journey. The calculation are all in Tron. The first slot is 20 Tron with a 10% upgrade income, earning you 2 Tron. The second slot is 50 Tron with a 15% upgrade income, earning you 7.5 Tron. The third slot is 100 Tron with a 20% income, earning you 20 Tron. And similarly, you can see the detail all slots from 20 Tron to 20,000 Tron on your screen. And you can earn up to 50% upgrade income up to 10,000 Tron. This upgrade income is giving you to without any conditions. For example, if your package is 20 Tron and your direct sponsor upgrade to 20,000 Tron, you will still receive the full upgrade income. Now let's understand how the base of Metora Vertex works. The base marketing is built on 6 place matrix and operates on smart contract on the Tron blockchain. The income occurs automatically and the basic principles are that your partner work with you and you can earn more through multiple levels. They are automatically cycled without any limits, allowing you earning repeatedly. Once activated, you can earn consistently. So friends, first we will understand the complete sponsor benefit you are going to receive, which is also shown through a structure. If you start with 20 Tron slot, you will get 30% sponsor benefit and 10% placement benefit. On a 50 Tron package, you will get 30% sponsor benefit and 10% placement benefit. On 100 Tron package, you will get 20% sponsor benefit and 10% placement benefit. And similarly friends, all the details for slot up to 20,000 Tron are shown on your screen. Now let's talk about how you will receive sponsor benefit and placement benefits. A structure calculation based on 20 Tron is shown on your screen. First, we will discuss how you will benefit if your downline does not work. In structure number A, you can see that if the upline means you directly refer A or B, the upline will receive 30% and 30% benefit from both. Since A and B are placed under you, you will also receive 10% placement benefit from both. In the second case, where you has sponsored A and B, you will receive 30% sponsor benefit from both. The upline will receive 10% placement benefit from both since they did not directly place them. This structure shows that whether you are working or not, you will receive income in both cases on this platform. Now moving forward friends, there are more levels added to it with the same calculation for each Tron slot. In figure C, you can see that 30% direct sponsor income received from every new joining and every slot upgrade. As you can see, you are the upline and you have directly referred you. You has placed A and B in their downline and you have placed C, D, E and F. You will receive 10% benefit. You will receive a 10% placement benefit and A and B will receive 30% direct sponsor benefit. You will also receive benefits from C, D, E and F who are applying downline and crossline and will receive 10% each. Once your structure reaches 6th level, it will recycle and all placements will be clear. cleared and the process will start again. To avoid any losses, you can upgrade before your downline. Also note that your direct referrals packages should match your, otherwise your direct sponsor income will be lost and transfer to the upgraded upline. Now let's move forward and discuss the complete calculation of the prosperity path. You will see that with each rising prosperity path income and you can increase your income even more. Here team upgrades occur at 10 levels and you will receive unlimited rewards. You can build your team up to 10 level and earn both active and passive income through them. For an example, on a 20 tron slot you will receive 6% income. This 6% amount will be equally distributed among 10 levels. If any team member upgrade to a 20,000 tron package in your 10 levels, 16% of 20,000 tron means 3,200 tron will be divided among 10 levels, resulting in an income of 320 tron for each 20,000 tron upgrade. On a 50 tron slot, you will receive 8% income. On a 100 tron slot, you will receive 10% income and up to 16% benefit is reserved for you. Moving forward, friends, and talk about the prosperity pool, which is fantastic benefit for you. The prosperity pool work globally, where you can see details of all tron slots. First, let's talk about the 20 tron slot, where you will receive a 15% pool benefit, which is approximately 3 tron. This 15% benefit is distributed among 5 global appliances. For repetition and continuous upgrades, you can earn up to approximately 24,576 tron. Similarly, for the 50 tron slot, you will receive a 12% pool benefit, which is distributed among 5 level of appliance. Your income flow will be approximately 49,152 tron. On the 100 tron slot, according to pool calculation, you will receive 12%, which is distributed among 5 level of appliance. Your total income flow will be approximately 98,304 tron. You can see that the details of all slots up to 20,000 tron are shown on your screen, which will provide you with benefits ranging from 24,576 tron to 81,92,000 tron through the prosperity pool. A structure clearly shown the working, which you can go through for better understanding. Now let's move forward and discuss the prosperity passive income. Here the calculation is turnover based and you will receive benefit every week. You can upgrade with 5 slots or above or block weekly income benefits up to 2x times the overall income. If you are connected to the 20 tron slot, 5% will be deducted separately. For the passive fund, for the 50 tron slot, 5% will be deducted separately for the passive fund. For the 100 tron slot, 6% will be deducted, and for the 200 tron slot, 6% will be deducted. Similarly, you can see the details up to 20,000 tron slot, where 3% will be deducted separately for the passive fund. To receive this income, you need to have 5 more or packages, and this income is giving you up to 2x times your overall income. And this is how you can benefit from it. If we talk about the prosperity squad calculation, the calculation is almost the same, but here a certain amount deducted separately for the squad fund. Your income here depend on your performance. The higher your direct business, the higher your income will be, ranking from top 1 to top 200. For example, if your direct business is highest among all communities, you will receive 20% of the squad fund amount for the top 1 position. Similarly, you will receive income ranking from 18% for top to 1% for 200 achievers, as shown on the screen. Now that we have understood the complete income plan, let's discuss the terms and conditions. This is a completely freedom-based plan with zero condition for direct or upgrade requirements. Every transaction on Meteora Vertex is recorded on the Blockchain Explorer, making it 100% transparent, traceable, and variable. The minimum claim is 5 tron, which enhances speed and scalability. There are only 5% deduction for auto withdrawal gas fees and the remaining amount is transferred to you. If you want to start with this amazing revolutionary income plan, you can prepare your Tron wallet. Here are step-by-step guide. Prepare a supported Tron wallet and top it up with a sufficient amount to activate your levels. Invite your first partner. It's recommended to have 4 personal invitations to get started quickly. The faster you get started, the higher the chances of team growth and high earnings. In step 3, you can follow your partner referral link and activate the starting level in the Waves program. Once you have started with all these, you were very close to earning your first income. Meteora Vortex is a platform that has already pre-designed its complete ecosystem, including community building program, research and planning, which has already been completed in Q4 2025. Similarly, you can view the complete roadmap, the details of which are being displayed on your screen. If you also want to be a part of Meteora Vortex and take advantage of this revolutionary and future-based earning platform, you can visit their official website today. Thanks for watching.